So the next topic is about the Indian desert. As we know, Indian desert is located in the northeast part of India, is it not? So which is the desert in our country is the Thar desert in our country, which lies here. Okay. So the Indian desert lies towards the western margin of the Aravalli Hills. You can see the Aravalli Hills in this place. So western margin in the sense north, south, west and east. So this western margin of the Aravalli, this is the western place. The margin next to the Aravalli Hills only, the desert is started. So it is called as the western margin of the Aravalli Hills. So undulating sandy plains covered with sand dunes. In the sense, the sand dunes in the like this, the sand dunes were covered in the desert. It is not like a plain like this. The sand is not covered. It is undulating. Okay, that's why it is called as undulating sand dunes. Okay. Next, this region receives low rainfall. So why here the desert is formed in the sense because the water content is very low and the temperature is too much. What happens? Whatever the moisture will be there in the soil, everything will be vaporized. Okay, so that there is no soil at all. It becomes as a sand. So this region receives low rainfall. So what is the rainfall in this region is only below 150 millimeters. Next, streams appear during the rainy seasons. Only in the rainy seasons, maybe the rain may come or may not. We don't know. When the rainy seasons, if the rain appears in that places, the streams will be appeared, not the rivers. Okay. So the one of the river in that place also is there. The place name is Luni River is there. It is only largest river in the Thar desert, but it will be totally fully dried up. Only the rainy season, when the rain has appeared, so all the rain water will be collected and it forms as a stream in that places, but it won't reach to the sea. So between the Thar desert only it will disappear. But other rivers like Kaveri, Narmada and all, it will drains to Bay of Bengal or it drains to Arabian Sea like that. But this river, it drains inside the Thar desert only. It is not at all river, actually it's a stream. Fine. Next, it has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Arid climate means it's not too vegetation also or a less vegetation also, too hot or a less hot also like that. It has low vegetation cover in the sense very less trees and animals. And next is another important feature in the Indian desert is the barchans. What is barchans? Barchans is another important features in the desert. Deserts, as you know, only the sand dunes and the undulating plains you have heard, and this kind of sand is also occurred. When it is occurred, only from one side of the wind will be moving on, and it deposits all the sand in this way. Okay, so this kind of sand dunes will be called as the barchans. So how it is have happened means you can see like a crescent. The shadow you can see it is like a moon crescent you have seen. The same way the crescent shaped dunes formed in the Thar desert. This is called as the barchans. Okay, children. So I hope you could have understood these two topics. Okay, in the next class we are going to learn still two more topics and we'll end of the lesson and the notes will be given on that particular day only. Still any doubts you have, I will clarify in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you.